The Orb Nomad is a striking vision of what the future of personal flight could look like. Engineered with precision and encased in a strong yet lightweight carbon composite shell, this aerial vehicle blends elegance with next-level innovation. At first glance, it almost looks more like a floating command capsule than a traditional aircraft. Smooth, spherical, and undeniably futuristic. Its vertical takeoff system is powered by a series of hidden electric ducted fans that generate efficient lift without the noise or bulk of conventional rotors. This means no long runways, no wings, and no complicated launch setup, just a seamless rise into the sky. Step inside and you're greeted by a fully digital cockpit that feels more like piloting a spacecraft than flying a small vehicle. The intuitive controls, smart flight assistance, and real-time environmental feedback make operating the Orb Nomad accessible even for those with little flying experience. The wraparound canopy is designed to provide an immersive panoramic view, giving pilots an unmatched connection to their surroundings as they glide above the ground. Created for solo flights, urban mobility, and futuristic commuting, the Orb Nomad isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's a bold statement in design and technology, an exploration of how flight can be reimagined to feel effortless, elegant, and deeply personal. More than just transportation, it's about enhancing the way we interact with our environment, making the skies as accessible as the streets. This is not just flying, it's experiencing the future of movement. The EHang 216 is one of the boldest steps forward in the future of transportation, redefining what it means to move through the skies. Built by the Chinese company EHang, this electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft is designed to carry 2 passengers completely autonomously, eliminating the need for a pilot. With 16 rotors mounted on 8 arms in a coaxial setup, it delivers stable, reliable lift and smooth control during flight. The aircraft can reach speeds of up to 130 kilometers per hour, travel about 35 kilometers on a single charge, and stay airborne for around 21 minutes, making it ideal for quick urban commutes or short regional hops. What truly sets the EHang 216 apart is its autonomy. Instead of relying on a pilot, it's controlled remotely through advanced 4G and 5G networks, following predefined routes with precision and ease. Passengers simply step in, buckle up, and let the aircraft handle the rest. Safety has been carefully engineered into its design with multiple redundant systems, including backup rotors and batteries, ensuring that even in the event of a malfunction, stability and security are maintained. Entirely electric, the EHang 216 operates with 0 emissions, providing an eco-friendly alternative to helicopters and other urban aircraft. Its quiet operation and compact footprint make it especially suited for bustling city environments where reducing congestion and pollution is critical. The aircraft has already been showcased across the globe, capturing attention for its futuristic vision, and it recently achieved a historic milestone by receiving type certification from the Civil Aviation Administration of China. This makes it the world's first certified passenger-carrying eVTOL aircraft, signaling that the era of autonomous air taxis isn't a distant dream. It's beginning right now. Do you want me to make this script sound more like a news-style announcement or more like a cinematic promotional trailer? The Jet Racer is the latest mind-bending invention from French innovator and former jet ski champion Frankie Zapata, a name already famous for creating the flyboard. Unlike his earlier creation, which strapped a user to a gas-powered jetpack and launched them skyward, the Jet Racer takes things in a new direction by letting the pilot sit comfortably while soaring through the skies. At first glance, it might remind you of a futuristic lounge chair, but don't let its appearance fool you. This machine is built for speed, agility, and pure adrenaline. Equipped with an array of 10 micro-turbojet engines strategically mounted around its lightweight modular frame, the Jet Racer has no need for traditional wings or lifting surfaces. Instead, raw jet power provides both lift and thrust, allowing it to perform vertical takeoffs, lightning-fast acceleration, and agile maneuvers that put it in a class of its own. Capable of reaching speeds of up to 250 kilometers per hour, it transforms solo travel into a thrilling adventure, perfect for those who want to trade the roads for the open skies and experience the skyline from an entirely new perspective. What makes the Jet Racer even more fascinating is its design philosophy. Zapata's company emphasizes maximum speed and extreme maneuverability, even if that comes at the cost of a shorter range compared to other aircraft. But this trade-off makes sense. The Jet Racer isn't about long-haul travel. It's about raw excitement, quick bursts of flight, and highly dynamic performance. Its modular construction also ensures flexibility, making it suitable for a variety of uses beyond personal thrills. Zapata has hinted at both civilian and military applications, from rapid personal transport to potentially tactical missions where speed and agility are critical. On top of that, the Jet Racer is being developed with remote operation in mind, allowing it to be piloted autonomously or controlled from a distance when needed. This adds an extra layer of versatility and safety, expanding its potential far beyond a simple flying chair. With its radical design and jaw-dropping capabilities, the Jet Racer is more than just an aircraft. It's a glimpse into the bold, high-speed future of personal flight. Do you want me to make this script closer to 2 minutes, like a narrator pitch with a bit more build-up and cinematic pacing? The VAX2 from Vertical Aerospace is more than just another step in aviation. It's a silent revolution designed to reshape how we move through cities and regions. At first glance, its futuristic frame already sets it apart, with sleek aerodynamic lines and 8 powerful rotors that allow it to take off vertically like a helicopter before transitioning into smooth, efficient forward flight like an airplane. This all-electric eVTOL aircraft is purpose-built for urban mobility, combining advanced engineering with eco-conscious technology to deliver a travel experience that feels both futuristic and practical. Capable of carrying 2 passengers, the VAX2 offers a range of up to 160 kilometers and can reach cruising speeds of 160 kilometers per hour. What makes it even more remarkable is that it does all of this without producing a single gram of CO2 emissions, proving that sustainability and high performance can go hand in hand. Its lightweight carbon composite body contributes to both efficiency and durability, while also giving the aircraft a striking silhouette that looks straight out of a science fiction film. Step inside, and passengers are met with an environment engineered for comfort and quietness. The smooth, vibration-free ride makes it ideal for quick urban commutes or even short regional hops, cutting travel times dramatically compared to traditional road or rail. But the VAX2 doesn't just prioritize speed and sustainability, it also places safety at the forefront. Built with aviation-grade systems and multiple redundant flight controls, it ensures maximum reliability, giving passengers confidence in every journey. The VAX2 is not simply a concept of futuristic travel. It's a glimpse of a very near reality where congested roads are replaced by open skies, where trips that once took hours can be completed in minutes, and where sustainability is no longer an option but the standard. Vertical Aerospace has created not just an aircraft, but a vision of tomorrow's cities, cleaner, faster, and connected by quiet, efficient flight. Do you want me to extend this script further into a 2-minute narration style, like a full showcase, or keep it around this length for pacing with your other scripts? The Hoverbike S3 feels like something pulled straight out of a futuristic blockbuster, bringing the thrill of science fiction closer to everyday reality. Created by HoverSurf, this extraordinary machine blends the familiar design of a motorcycle with the advanced aerodynamics of a drone, giving riders the sensation of piloting a real-life speeder bike. Its futuristic exoskeleton frame supports 4 massive carbon fiber propellers that generate enough lift to hover smoothly above the ground and propel the vehicle forward at impressive speeds of up to 96 kilometers per hour. Unlike bulky aircraft, the S3 is built from lightweight carbon fiber, making it strong, efficient, and agile, while still maintaining a compact size small enough to fit inside a standard garage. What makes this flying bike truly remarkable is its fully electric powertrain. Equipped with high-capacity lithium batteries, it delivers about 25 minutes of flight time per charge, striking a balance between short-distance urban mobility and pure excitement. Taking off vertically like a drone, it requires no runway, and its joystick-based controls are designed to feel intuitive, giving even new pilots confidence in the air. Beyond recreation, the Hoverbike S3 hints at practical uses as well, from quick aerial patrols to search and rescue operations in hard-to-reach places. But beyond its specs and technology, the Hoverbike S3 embodies a vision of the future where personal aerial vehicles aren't confined to fantasy or military prototypes. It represents a daring step into the next era of mobility, one where commuting, adventure, and even making a dramatic entrance could happen above the ground. Sleek, powerful, and undeniably futuristic, the Hoverbike S3 is more than just a machine. It's a symbol of how imagination and engineering together can change the way we move through the world. Would you like me to make this one more high energy and adrenaline-packed, almost like a promo script for a launch event? Imagine strapping into a machine that makes the dream of flying like Iron Man feel almost real. That's exactly what the Martin Jetpack delivers, an extraordinary leap forward in personal aviation that takes you off the ground with no wings, no cockpit, just raw jet power at your command. Developed in New Zealand, this pioneering flying machine was one of the first attempts to make personal flight not just possible, but practical and accessible. At its core, the Martin Jetpack uses a pair of powerful ducted fans driven by a 200 horsepower engine, generating enough thrust to lift a pilot vertically into the air with ease. Capable of climbing to altitudes of around 900 meters and reaching speeds of up to 74 kilometers per hour, it's a vehicle designed not only for thrills, but also for utility. The frame, crafted from lightweight yet durable carbon fiber, balances strength with efficiency, while an advanced computer-controlled stabilization system ensures the pilot remains steady and safe throughout the flight. This makes the Martin Jetpack far more stable than the traditional dangerous rocket-fueled jetpacks we've often seen in movies or prototypes. Its creators envisioned it not just as a toy for adventurers, but as a real tool for emergency responders, capable of flying over rugged terrain, bypassing traffic, or even reaching areas inaccessible to ground vehicles during rescue missions. What sets the Martin Jetpack apart is how it transforms the fantasy of individual flight into something that feels achievable today. It blurs the line between science fiction and reality, offering a new way to think about personal transportation. Whether used for life-saving operations or simply as an exhilarating new form of travel, the Martin Jetpack represents one of the boldest steps toward making humanity's oldest dream, flying freely through the skies, a thrilling reality. Do you want me to make this one more dramatic and cinematic, like it's being narrated in a futuristic showcase video? The Pegasus E flying car is a groundbreaking innovation that truly blurs the line between science fiction and reality. Imagine sitting in traffic, then with the simple push of a button, your car lifts off the ground and transforms into a fully functional aircraft. That's the futuristic promise of the Pegasus E, a hybrid vehicle designed for both road and sky. Its aerodynamic carbon fiber body, accented with sleek air intakes, looks like it belongs in a sci-fi blockbuster, but every detail has been engineered with real-world performance in mind. At the heart of its design are retractable rotors that fold neatly when not in use and deploy smoothly to enable vertical takeoff and landing. This seamless transition allows drivers to switch from road mode to flight mode in just seconds. Once airborne, the Pegasus E offers an impressive flying range of up to 480 kilometers, covering distances that make regional travel a reality. And it can reach speeds of around 132 kilometers per hour in the sky. Despite this advanced technology, it remains compact enough to fit into a standard garage, proving that practicality and innovation can go hand in hand. What makes the Pegasus E even more remarkable is that it isn't just a concept. The vehicle is fully certified for flight, bringing us closer to a future where flying to work, avoiding traffic jams, or simply enjoying the freedom of the skies becomes part of everyday life. With its combination of style, efficiency, and cutting-edge engineering, the Pegasus E isn't only redefining personal transportation, It's reshaping the way we imagine freedom of movement itself. Would you like me to extend this script slightly further so it naturally runs well over 1 minute for narration pacing, like I've done with the others? The Pantala Concept H from Puntuo Aviation represents a bold step into the future of urban and intercity air mobility. This sleek, all-electric eVTOL aircraft is designed to redefine how we think about travel within and between cities, offering speed, efficiency, and a premium passenger experience. With seating for up to 5 people, it's not just a futuristic machine, but a practical solution aimed at replacing congested roadways with the open skies. Capable of reaching speeds of over 300 kilometers per hour and covering a maximum range of around 250 kilometers, the Pantala H is engineered to make quick, efficient travel a reality without sacrificing comfort. One of its most striking features is the innovative canard tilt wing design, equipped with 22 ducted fans. These fans are carefully integrated into the wings to provide vertical takeoff and landing capabilities while ensuring smooth transitions into forward flight. This setup minimizes noise pollution, enhances safety, and improves aerodynamics, making it better suited for densely populated urban areas. Unlike traditional helicopters, the Pantala H promises quieter operation, meaning it could one day become a familiar sight over cities without disturbing daily life on the ground. Step inside, and passengers are greeted with a spacious cabin featuring panoramic windows and luxurious seating that elevate the travel experience. The design prioritizes both comfort and aesthetics, making each journey feel more like a first-class flight than just a quick commute. Adding to its futuristic appeal, Puntuo Aviation is also developing autonomous flight capabilities for the Pantala H, opening possibilities not only for personal and business use, but also for critical missions such as emergency medical transport, where speed and accessibility can save lives. The Pantala H is more than a concept. It's a glimpse into a world where efficient, sustainable, and stylish air travel becomes part of everyday life. It represents the merging of advanced engineering, light eco-conscious propulsion, and luxury design, all aimed at transforming the way humans move through the skies. Do you want me to make this script run even longer, closer to 2 minutes of narration, for maximum impact, like I did with some of the earlier ones?